Welcome to this basic dumbbells workout where we're going to be doing all of the exercises standing. We're going to focus on form throughout this workout, but I still want the exercises to be challenging. So that means you need to find your Goldilocks option with weights, where it's not going to be too little, maybe like 2 or 3 pound weights, and it's not going to be so heavy that you're starting to compromise form. So I suggest having a few sets of dumbbells handy so you can experiment with that a little bit. And here's the thing, the more that you come back to this workout and these types of classes, the more comfortable you're going to get with the exercises, exercise position, your form, and you're going to build on strength as well. So if you're ready to get started with this basic dumbbells workout, grab your weights and join me on the mat. Let's begin with a nice warm up here where we bend the knees, legs go straight. So feet and knees are parallel. Shoes are optional. You can have them on for this session or not, whether you're more comfortable with. When we bend for this first movement, it's an awareness phase exercise. So just maintain natural curves of spine. Keep your heels down. 2 more times. And now legs stay straight, heels come up and lower down. Heels come up. There's an easefulness in the upper body. Right now, we don't need to overwork in the upper body as we're moving the ankles. Just up and down. 2 more times. 2, 1. One thigh lifts and down. Opposite thigh lift. So just finding a little bit of balance work. Control leg up and down. This is a good test so that this is feeling challenging. When we go into lunges, you may want to have a hand on wall or chair. Get your balance first and then we add weights later. That's always an option. Another time here. Both feet down, arms reach. And now we're going to pull the arms back. So they open, and when they reach back, we stay nice and still in center body. No jutting forward with ribs or behind. Doesn't jut back behind us. So we're trying to get the shoulders open. 2. And one more time here. Very nice. And now let your arms come in front of you. And now we'll pivot forward and come right back up. So this is a hinging motion from the hips and up. The spine still maintaining natural curves. Slight bend in the knees here. One more time. Very nice. Now take one foot back behind you, long lunge, back leg straight, front leg sinking down, knee bent. Reach the arms next to the ears. Arms reach back. Check it out. How are you doing here with no weights? How's that balance? Balance first, then we will add weights. One more time. Pause here, hands on pelvis. Now bend your back knee, come vertical with your spine. Here we are, traditional lunge position. Lower and come up. Lower and up. So if balance is really challenging, when we repeat this exercise with weights, maybe you stay without and put hands on chair or wall for more support. One more time. Very nice, stepping in, opposite leg goes back, reach long lunge, arms reach once again, return. As arms reach, rest the body, stay still, keep breathing deeply. Arms can stay back, bend the back knee, come vertical with your spine, find that down and up. So after this sequence, if you're noticing, oh, my heart rate's getting up, you're on the right track. Even without weights, this can be challenging. 2 more times, 2, and one more time, 1. Very nice, back leg steps in. So grabbing your heavier, slightly lighter weights, we have a heavier set off to the side here. Palms face forward, bicep curl. With the bicep curl, just allowing the elbows to move. Nothing else moving here. The knees are definitely not locked. And if this isn't feeling challenging, all that means is you need to increase the weight. If it's feeling too challenging, you decrease the weight. 2 more times. 2, 1. Pause here. And now open the arms out to the side. Lower. Open the arms out. The elbows are staying a little bit soft here, so they're not locked, they're not all the way straight. Controlling the lift and the lower. Rest the body staying still. So if we're really having to swing with the body to counterbalance the weights, another indicator, just our weights are a little bit too heavy. 2 more times. 2 and 1. Very nice. Arms immediately reach forward. Lower. Now let's reach forward. If it's starting to feel really challenging, this is your option substitution where we can pull up and return, or we stay reaching forward. Finding control up and down, and still center body, staying incredibly still. Another time. Very nice. Going into traditional lunge. So we are vertical with spine, back knee, a little bit bent here, and going down and up. Staying balanced, down and up. Take your time to find that full range of motion. Let's do 2 more times. 2 and 1. Very nice. Step it in, switch sides. Opposite leg. When you're ready, down and up. Now you'll get more comfortable with the transitions, with the positions of the body, the more you come back to this class and classes like this. Deep breathing. Almost there. One more time. Very nice. Back leg steps in. Now we pivot forward and stay here. Pull the shoulders and elbows back. Arms go straight and bend. Straight and bend. So the elbows staying still. They're not lowering down for this movement. Just the elbows doing the movement as the shoulders stay pulling back. Two more times. 2, 1. Now, you may want your heavier weights. Do a little check-in with yourself. Take a sip of water if you'd like. Breathe deeply. You can even press pause on this before we go into our next round. Or whenever you're ready, grab your slightly heavier set of weights, soft bend with the knees, and we pivot forward, coming up again. So this is that movement we did earlier without the weights. Now with the weights, it should be more challenging. And it's more challenging for the glutes, for the legs, not for the back. If it's more challenging for your back, you know that maybe you've gone too heavy with your weights or you're moving your spine a lot rather than giving that hip hinge. Hip hinge motion is what we're after. Another time here. Very nice. Now we stay forward and the shoulders and elbows pull back, arms go straight. Shoulders, elbows pull back, arms return. So now we're in to working different muscles than when we were holding the elbows back behind us. I encourage you here to be a little bit heavier in the heels of the feet than the balls of your feet. So you should be able to lift your toes up, wiggle them around a little bit. One last time. Very nice. Now we're going to take the legs to a wide position, heels in, toes out, bend the knees and straight. What we're after now is that straight down, straight up. So we are not doing the pivot forward anymore. Vertical spine here. Taking your time down and up. 2 more times. 2 and 1. Very nice. Now you can keep both weights. I'll demonstrate with just one weight down and taking hold of opposite. Go back to long lunge. Back leg straight, front leg goes straight, and bend. So this can be one or both weights, whatever you prefer. Maintaining balance. Still breathing deeply here. Another time. Very nice, and switch sides. Opposite leg. When you're ready, front leg moves. Strong back leg. Almost there. Very nice. Come back to standing. Weight in front of you. Bend through both. And coming up. So now we will pivot a little forward with our body. Upper body, that is, only as much as we need to get a deeper squat. So a little bit different than the first exercise we began with in warm-up. Two. Now notice the difference, last one, when you stay vertical and go back, bend the knees and straight. It should feel a lot different. So the mechanics of this vertical option compared to the last one, we're not going to go as low, and that's okay. One last time. Legs stay straight, heels up and down. Deep breathing. 2, 1. Very nice. Now take the weight off to the side. Important, we keep moving. So take the legs wide, bend through one knee, let the pelvis reach back a little bit, bring yourself up, switch sides. So it's not necessarily how much we're lowering to the floor. It's the body just responds to the leg movement. We can add on. If you want reach, we want to cool it down a little bit. Opposite arm reach. Cool it down. Let's do one more time each side. Very nice. Walk the feet in towards one another. Lift one thigh up. Press it back. Lift thigh up and back. So a little bit of balance, trying to keep center body really still. Keep leg back, shift the pelvis back, flex through front foot. Hands gently on thigh, not on knees here. Still breathing deeply for yourself here. Your next deep breath, bring yourself up, opposite leg, lift, reach it back. Take your time. Three. And one more time. Very nice. Pressing back. So nice flex with front thigh. I want you to think, stick your tushy out rather than curling it. So still natural curves of spine, pelvis reaches far back. And upper body can lean further forward if you want more stretch, but it's not a rounded position, right? Natural curves of spine. Another deep, deep breath here, and then bring yourself up. Pull one heel in towards you. Take hold, quadriceps stretch. Hand can be on wall or chair. Find that balance. We're trying not to let the knee come far forward. Reach the thigh further back. Shoulder rolls back. Another deep breath here. Very nice, and switch sides. So second side, Once we have hold of the leg, we feel stable, we're trying to pull the thigh back. Now this is if your thigh is really far open. We also want to think parallel with the legs here as much as possible, so knee is not opening out to the side space. Another deep breath. Very nice. Feet down. Give yourself a pivot forward. You can have a soft bend in the knees. Hands can stay on thighs or reach your hands to the floor. Let your head tumble down. Take deeper breaths here and just experience your stretch. Is it more in the legs, more in the back? Your next deep breath, roll yourself up to a standing position. Amazing work with that short total body class using dumbbells. If you enjoyed this session, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment down below. I hope that you have a beautiful day and can join me with weights or on the mat soon.